Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do a very simple and quick hairstyle for Halloween. It's sort of a DIY and a hairstyle tutorial all in one because it's a bun with decorations that we're going to be making ourselves. Don't worry, it's super quick and easy, but it's so cute. For the spider, you'll need 2 small craft balls. I'm using paper ones, a pipe cleaner, 2 googly eyes, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Put a bit of hot glue onto one of the craft balls and press the other ball onto it firmly. This will be the head and body of our spider. Now also put some glue onto the googly eyes and press them on top of the head of your soon-to-be spider. Cut 4 short pieces of pipe cleaner. I noticed mine are still a bit too long, so I cut them a little bit shorter. When you're happy with the length of the legs, glue them onto the bottom of your spider and bend them so that they look like spider legs. That's it! Super simple, right? But oh so cute! For the spider web, you'll need a small plastic bag. I'm using a white one because I have dark hair. You'll also need a marker and 1 or 2 sizes of scissors. Flatten the bag and make sure the opening is on your left side. You'll see me do everything mirrored, so if this confuses you, you can always position the bag as you see it in the video and follow what you see me do instead of what you hear me say. Grab the right top corner and bring it to the left lower corner. Make sure the edges align and to flatten the crease. Cut a piece on your left that's not covered. Now bring the right lower corner to the left upper corner. Always make sure the corners are nice and clean and don't forget to flatten the crease. Then bring the bottom tip up to the top tip. Turn your bag so that the longest side is the furthest away from you and the least sharp tip is pointed towards you. Grab that tip and fold it upward, aligning it with the long side of your bag. It really is like origami. With your marker, draw something similar to what I'm drawing. We only want to do a part of our bag though, as we only need a small spider web to cover our bun. You should be able to estimate how big your bun cover needs to be pretty easily. Then cut where your marker lines are while holding your layers of your bag in place. When you're done, carefully open your plastic bag. Ta-da! Here's your spider web! Let's see how that looks with the spider. Oh my gosh, that's just so cute! Don't you think? Onto the hairstyle itself. The spider web is a bun cover, so we're going to need a bun. It really doesn't matter what type of bun you do, as it will be covered by your web for the most part. Do make sure it's one that stays in place well and that's clean and pretty tight. No messy bun for this one. I will show you how I did my bun. First, make a center ponytail. Divide it into 2 equal parts. Bring both over your shoulder. Now divide the left part into 2 equal strands. Twist the left strand away from you. Bring the right strand over the left strand and twist that strand away from you. Keep repeating the same steps all the way down. Then tie it with a little hair elastic. Divide the other part of your hair into 2 equal strands as well. Bring them over your shoulder. Twist the left strand towards you, bring it underneath the right strand, and twist that strand towards you. Keep repeating these steps all the way down and also tie it with a hair elastic. You now have 2 rope braids. Bring the left rope braid over the right one and keep doing this so that you're sort of creating another rope braid out of 2 rope braids, but without the twisting. Once you've gone all the way down, tie it together with another hair elastic. Now turn this into a bun by wrapping it around your ponytail base. Use hairpins or hair screws to keep the bun in place. This is the finished bun. It's time to add our hair accessories. Position the spider web over your bun and pin it in place with U-shaped pins. I can't really see if I'm positioning them neatly over the spider web, so I'm trying to go by what I feel. Once you like the way it looks and it's not going to go anywhere, you may also want to add a few smaller U-shaped pins to the center of your bun, just to make sure the spider web is neat there as well. Time to add Charlotte. Place small U-shaped pins over some of her legs to keep her well in place. I absolutely love this and I can't wait to wear it.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was so fun to do, and I think it's such a cute hairstyle that doesn't take a lot of time or effort to do, and anyone can wear it, you know, children and older people, well, older people like me, you know. Yes, but you know, it doesn't really matter what age you are, you can totally pull this off. It is just so cute. And I would love to hear if you're doing anything special for Halloween, so please let me know in the comments below. And if you're gonna dress up, let me know what you're dressing up as, because I always think it's fun to hear about that. I'm not going to spoil yet what I'm dressing up as, but if I do end up going somewhere and I do end up dressing up, I will be posting pictures on my Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye and happy Halloween!